And our truck is Pepe, 1955 Kenworth conventional. It's all aluminum, except for the front fenders and one cross member in the frame, aluminum rails, aluminum cab, doors, hood, which is kind of unique. It looks like maybe they built a couple hundred trucks in 55 that were all aluminum. It is a big deal, you know, a truck's like 850 pounds lighter than exactly the same truck in steel. That's a lot of freight. So it's got a 400 big cam 3, 5 and a 4, 370s in the rear. It was a single axle on torsion bar. Originally had a 180 Cummins and a 4-speed main 3-speed auxiliary, geared out at 53 miles an hour. I touched every nut, bolt, rivet, fastener, you know, in the truck. Made the radius panels on the roof from scratch, made the hood from scratch. There's about 4 front fenders plus some fabricated parts over here and 3 different ones over there. And, you know, we spoiled ourselves. We got some creature comforts in there. We got air and put power steering on it. Painted it back the original color. Had a guy in the Northwest do the upholstery in it. It's as close to an OEM kind of thing as we could get. Did put air ride seats in it, but it's all the original color, original material as much as we could, you know, as far as we could tell. In a gold color, all OEM gauges. Again, just really, really trying to keep it looking as original as we could. It's the original steering wheel on it. Spent a couple of months working on that thing, fixing all the cracks in it. It is 220 inches. According to the line sheet, it was 256. I cut nearly 3 feet off of it. Everybody asked why it's so long. Well, it was 3 feet longer. Spent about 10 years rebuilding the truck and spent the last 4 or 5 just running it around as much as we can afford to run it around and just having a really good time with it.